Deep beneath your feet, thousands of miles down, something impossible is happening. We always thought the center of our planet was just a giant ball of hot iron. We were wrong. Scientists have just discovered a secret layer of a strange, alien-like material called an electride. It is a form of metal that shouldn't exist, but it is trapped there under crushing pressure. This hidden layer is acting like a giant engine, powering the very shield that keeps us alive. If this electride metal wasn't there, Earth would be a dead, radiation-blasted rock just like Mars. We are talking about a mystery that has been hidden for billions of years, and we are finally pulling back the curtain on the engine room of our world. You need to hear this, because the ground beneath you is far more alive than you ever imagined. So what exactly is an electride? To understand it, we have to look at how atoms work. Usually, electrons, the tiny sparks of energy in everything, are stuck to the middle of an atom. But deep inside Earth, the weight of the entire planet is pushing down. The pressure is millions of times stronger than the air we breathe. This pressure is so intense that it actually squeezes the electrons right out of the atoms. These electrons get trapped in the empty spaces between the atoms, forming a solid wall of pure energy. This is the electride metal. It doesn't look like a normal piece of steel or copper. It is a crystal-like structure that flows like a liquid but conducts electricity better than almost anything else. It is a state of matter that we are only just beginning to understand in labs, yet it has been sitting under us since the beginning of time. To see how we found this, we have to look at a group of researchers who decided to stop looking at the sky and start looking down. For decades, experts noticed that Earth's magnetic field was much stronger than it should be if it were just made of iron. The math just didn't work. One team of scientists used a diamond anvil, a machine that can squeeze things between two tiny diamonds, to recreate the pressure of the core. They took simple minerals and crushed them until they changed. Suddenly, the material turned into this glowing golden-brown electride. They realized that this wasn't just a lab trick. This was a massive layer hundreds of miles thick, wrapping around the inner core. It explained why our planet has such a powerful magnetic field. While other planets lost their protection and their oceans dried up, Earth's hidden electride layer kept the magnetic shield strong. It was the silent hero of our survival, working in total darkness for eons while life evolved on the surface. We were looking for the secret of life in the trees and the water, but the real battery was hidden in the fire deep below. This matters to you today because it proves that Earth is a finely tuned machine. Every breath you take and every day you spend in the sun without getting fried by radiation is thanks to this secret metal. It changes how we look for other planets, too. Now, when we look for a second Earth in space, we aren't just looking for water. We are looking for planets with the right pressure to create their own electride engines. It shows that the universe has secrets tucked away in places we can't even see. You don't have to go to another galaxy to find something alien. There is a shimmering, energy-trapping metal right under your boots at this very second. The world is much weirder and much cooler than the textbooks told us. The next time you look at a compass, remember that the needle isn't just pointing north. It is pointing to a secret power source that is keeping us all safe. Are you ready to see what else we've been missing?